DXMC leader, Didilia Lehi. Mapping Company Commander, Sunny Batalier. Mapping Company XO, Jerry Vesorio. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Randall Ibanita. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Jasmine Magallanes. School Head, Marimin Sagala. CTP Mapping Facilitator, Leia Princess Salazar. Jovel Policiano, Mark Jovel Villamayor. Majors Coordinator, Christine Bailey Mora. Eloisa D. Villar, Annabel San Juan, DXMC Coordinator, Edward Ray Navarro, Alices Romania, and Mary Ann Pinar. Jason Bradshaw Manila. Entry number 39, Santa Lucina National High School, Santa Lucina, Bukid, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 39, Santa Lucina National High School from Bukid, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 40, St. John the Baptist Institute of People Incorporated, Barangay San